This video is of Charlene's house in Gulf Breeze just after a fresh pressure wash that was done today. Show you the garage doors and everything else all cleaned off right here. Everything in the house is nice and clean. Got all the mold and mildew off. Let's go to the side here. The porch is in the back. The AC unit purring away. Here's Charlene. Say hi.
Hi. How are you?
Andres and Daiga.
Yeah.
And the monkeys. Here we go. Go take a look at the place. The pressure wash guy just left. Everything is sparkling clean. Site of some future parties under here. And let's go under there. Carport is nice and whistle clean under here. Lots and lots of room under here. Goodness gracious. Everything came out really nice. See, there's a lot of room under here once you take everything out.
Oh yeah.
Pretty amazing under here. There's
Nice
the garage
cool
entrance
breeze.
here. It's a wonderful breeze. Big storage area. This could be a net. You could screen part of this in. You could do. We've got all kinds of things out here. Okay, here we go down here. Let's take a look back at the back of the house. Here's the water down here. This is the last time I filmed Game Out, was right down here. This is going down to the waterfront. Here's the back of the house right here. Perfect. Here's the yard here. Okay, good neighbors over there too, both sides. The last time I took a video here, the water